guys, this is Maria, and in this video I will show you 3 easy-to-use apps to earn extra cash while watching TV. People earn extra cash like an additional $30 or $50 with Turkdroid. Turkdroid is the mobile app for Amazon's microtasking website, Amazon Mechanical Turk. Download the app and then you can complete microtasks for Amazon clients and exchange them for cash. Microtask is something easy like watching a video or answering a survey. People open the app and click on a microtask, like watching a video. Then they mute their phone and play it in the background. The cash for the task is small, but because it's so quick, it can add up to $30 and $50 a day. You also earn higher payouts the more you do it. This app offers a 7-day free trial. And there are 2 other microtask apps you can try. Number 2 is LootUp. LootUp is excellent for teenagers because they let kids as young as 13 use it. The third app is Swagbucks. So here are 3 easy-to-use phone apps to earn money while watching TV. Make sure to click the first link in the description to take a 1-minute quiz to find out what type of social media job you are best suited to. Remember to subscribe and like the video if you find it useful.